Uranus was first observed by the Englishman Sir William Herschel, who initially thought it was a comet. After some debate about the name, German astronomer Johann Bode's suggestion was accepted. Thus, the planet was named Uranus, which fit well with the Greek-Latin nomenclature of planets. Uranus was the Greek god of the sky, the husband of Gaia, Mother Earth. He was one of the primordial Greek gods. He was the father of the Titans and the Cyclopes. Uranus is one of the gas giants, or Jovian planets, the fourth planet from the Earth and an outer planet. Its atmosphere consists of 83% hydrogen and 15% helium, with some methane and ammonia. Methane in the upper atmosphere absorbs red light, giving the planet a pale blue-green hue. Few details of the surface are visible. Clouds move along the latitudes, as in the case of Jupiter and Saturn, but they are much fainter. The core of Uranus, which contains solid material, is surrounded by a mantle of liquid water, ammonia, and methane. Its axial tilt is greater than 90 degrees, with one of the poles constantly facing the sun. This pole is warmer than the equator. This large axial tilt may be due to a collision with a protoplanetary object billions of years ago. Uranus, like the Earth, has a strong magnetic field. It is strange that the magnetic axis is tilted at a 59-degree angle to the axis of rotation, and that the magnetic axis does not pass through the center of the planet. The magnetic field was formed inside the planet, but it is not known what created it. 11 rings and 27 moons are known. The rings consist of meter-sized, dark, icy rocks. Unlike other objects in the solar system, the moons of Uranus were not named after characters in ancient mythology, but after characters from Shakespeare's work and from The Rape of the Lock, the satirical poem by the English poet Alexander Pope. Miranda is the smallest and innermost of the large moons. It orbits Uranus once every 1.4 days. The surface of the moon is varied. Areas of old, cratered terrain alternate with enormous cliffs, grooves, and valleys formed later. About half of its material is ice, and half is rock. Titania is Uranus's largest moon. Its orbital period is nearly 9 days. Its surface is covered with ice, intersected by valleys and craters. The largest crater is a basin known as Gertrude, which is 200 kilometers in diameter.